The secret to getting jacked is the title of today's video. And you're probably wondering to yourself, why the fuck should I listen to some teenager in a hoodie with blonde hair and blue eyes? Well, it's because I'm actually pretty jacked myself. I haven't achieved my dream body because I'm not going to lie to you. My dream body is a lot further along the journey. But I'm a lot further along the journey than you, probably, right? You're probably some fucking skinny, fat teenager that's watching me and that's trying to find a secret to getting jacked. But the reality of the truth is, there's no real secret to actually getting jacked. But let me tell you this, 99% of doctors are fat, right? So imagine a doctor is supposed to teach you how to be healthy, how to be like the pinnacle of human health. When the doctor that's teaching you how to be healthy is fat, like he's not even healthy. The fat doctor cannot even do 5 push-ups. Like, let's be real. I can do 50 push-ups in a row. Like, I should be a fucking doctor, shouldn't I? Like, obviously, I don't have a cure for cancer, even though I probably do. I'll just watch some fucking video on YouTube and teach you how to cure cancer. But shit. Now imagine this scenario with the 99% of the doctors that are fat. Now imagine this everywhere in the world. Every single information you know about fitness, getting jacked, becoming rich, fucking, I don't know, whatever, getting your dream job, like getting drip or whatever. 99% of the people don't even know what they're talking about. Like, I'm sure you just gotta, we live in a fucked up world right now. Like, that's the real truth. Everyone in the world is fucked. Like, you know, hard times create strong men and strong men create hard times or whatever, right? You know the biggest, like, a nation becomes weak when nudity and casual sex is normal. And think about the times that we live in now. Nudity and casual sex is normal. Right. But let me give you the secret to actually getting jacked. But I'm not like these fucking YouTubers that are like, yeah, I've built my dream body and I'll teach you how to do this if you click the link in my description. It's my course, and I do have a course that I can tell you. Obviously, I will get you jacked and I will give you incredible results, but I won't build your dream body in a fucking 3 weeks. You're gonna have to put in the work and shit. But I'm not like these fucking 65 kg YouTubers that are like, yeah, I've built my dream body. I went to the gym for a fucking year and I didn't even train till failure, but yeah, I've built my dream body. So I'll teach you how to join my program. I'll teach you how to fucking get girls, because I've never got a girl in my life, but I've watched Hamza's videos and he tells me not to reply to this girl like in 2 minutes. So therefore, I'm gonna reply in 6 minutes. Oh, she replied. All right. She replied in 15 minutes. All right, I'm gonna reply in 15 as well. All right. You know what I mean? Like, I'm actually gonna give you some real fucking advice. But there's no fucking secret pill to getting jacked. Like, there's a secret pill to happiness, bro. You just take MDMA, drink it like fucking, do the fucking, what's his name? Kodak Black, just with the fucking perk or whatever he took, right? There is a secret pill to happiness. But the happiness comes and then it goes, right? You have a crash. And it's the same with steroids, I guess. Steroids would be the magic pill, right? But it's not actually the magic pill, because you take steroids, then you get jacked without working out, but like, yeah, and then you stop taking steroids, and then bang, you're back to square one, and then you're depressed, and then you want to take steroids again because you're like, I was so amazing on steroids. I felt like Superman. Like, I've never took steroids, but I'm guessing that's what it's like. But there's no actual real way to get jacked in a short amount of time. Well, there is, and it's not like you will get jacked in a short amount of time. You will get jacked in like a month, but you're gonna have to do it every single day consistently. And the magic pill that you can take is eating 30 eggs per day. And you may be wondering to yourself, what the fuck, 30 eggs per day? I can't do that. Well, you can, but you're just thinking about it 30 eggs per day. Like, you need to put 30 eggs into a pan and then eat it all, like at one sitting. No. Bro, there's 24 hours. Okay, you sleep for like fucking 4 hours and you go to sleep at like 4 a.m. Yeah, you need to sort that out, bro. Like, you actually need to sort that out. Do not be going to sleep at 4 a.m. and waking up at 8 a.m. with 4 hours of sleep and then going to sleep on you. And then the teacher shouts at you, "Mom, why are you sleeping?" And you're like, "Bitch, fuck you." Or some shit. Like, you cannot be doing that shit. But yeah, I do sell a course. And you fuck. But yeah, I do sell a course, and you can click the link in my description, and I will give you all the information in the whole world that I've ever learned. about getting jacked, and there's many other shit in my course. Just click the link in the description if you want to. But like, I'm not encouraging you to. Like, I do have a product that I can teach you, but this video is for me to give you information, right? So, building an attractive body is single-handedly the most important way. It's like the most. First, man, you know who he is, right? He says that getting jacked and rich is the fundamentals. Everyone thinks like, yeah, getting jacked is going to solve all my problems in the world. Well, let me sugarcoat it. It kind of does. Kinda. It sets you up. Like, you get female attention. You post your story on your Instagram story and you get like fucking 15 likes from some girls that want to fuck you. And they don't want to give you love. They just want to fuck. Because they don't go. Because everyone in this generation don't even want to fucking marry each other. Like, it is what it is. There's some people out there like me that record YouTube videos, that grind daily, that wake up at 5 a.m, do push-ups. Yeah, but it's the same with girls, right? There's some girls out there. Shit, I'm not at the level where I can attract them yet. And if I can, bro, I'll just fucking, I don't know, be weird and then, yeah. But yeah, I've actually made an incredible body transformation because I was 14 and now I'm 17. And if I post my physique on Tinder, I get hella matches and likes. But I'm not into fucking casual sex anymore because I realize it makes me fucking weak. And it's something I need to work on. Right? But the way that you actually get jacked, you cannot have some bullshit ass excuse like, I'm too young to go to the gym. Or my genetics are awful. Or like, it's gonna hurt, or it's gonna take too much time, or I'm gonna get too big. Like, all of them are just bullshit. You're not too young because I started working out when I was 13. And if I see like a 12-year-old in the gym hitting failure on bench press, bro, I'm like inspired, right? Your genetics aren't bad because one, you have never even seen the potential of your genetics. Like, I thought I had awful genetics, but it turns out my shoulders are insane. My back is insane. Sure, my biceps aren't that good, but it is what it is, right? Like, I'll just do more sets on biceps to make them bigger, right? And it turns out I have incredible genetics for my neck. My neck's thick as fuck. So, don't have any copes. And you're actually going to have to put in the work. Which is, oh my god, I didn't know that. Obviously. I think you're just trying to look for someone to be like, yeah, bro, you don't actually have to work out. You can just do 5 push-ups every 15 minutes. Even then, you wouldn't even do it, but whatever. You don't even... Like, you already know what to do. You know you have to work out. You need to train hard. You need to go to the gym consistently. And you need to track your calories. And you need to go to sleep on time. And you need to eat enough protein. And like, you know what you need to do. But why aren't you doing it? Why? Like, come on, bro. Just literally go to the gym. Literally just go on Google, search up gym near me, and literally just buy a membership, bro. It's not that hard. Like, the gym will change your life forever. The gym has changed my life, bro. Think about it. I got jacked, and now I have a business teaching other guys how to get jacked, to follow along my footsteps, because I took the first step, and now I'm teaching you how to take your first step. You know what I mean? And yes, I inspired many of my friends to go to the gym. I'm pretty sure... I inspired 5 of my friends on the top of my head who went to the gym. No, 7 actually. That I inspired to go to the gym. Just my friends. I've never posted on social media. They've never seen my videos. And even if they have, they skipped after 2 minutes because they don't even speak English. They just see me waffling in a different language. Imagine me waffling in Arabic to you. That was Arabic, by the way. But yeah, bro, it's not too hard to actually go to the gym. Like, if you actually want to be successful in life, every single successful person goes to the gym, right? Every single one. There's no excuse. So, if you want to be successful in life, you actually have to go to the gym. And going to the gym is so important because it reduces aging. Like, if you're not going to the gym, I don't know what you're doing. And if you want to go to the gym, bro, just literally just watch these videos. I will teach you exactly how to get jacked. And shit, if you gonna get enough information from me, you'll buy my course, which you'll realize is the best course in the entire world to get jacked. So, and when it comes to these doctors, like 99% of the doctors, it comes the same with fitness influencers, bro. Like, 99% of these fitness influencers claim they're natty, right? They eat fucking shitty food. They don't even exercise. They beat their shit. and they have a girlfriend that cheats on them. You know what I mean? And they don't even know how to be present. They don't meditate. They don't cold shower. They don't do all this shit, right? They just fucking go to the gym, hit chest, hit shoulders, hit triceps, take testosterone, maybe some fucking D-ball or primo, or whatever the fuck they take. And yeah, that's literally it. But literally, from today's video, if you don't go to the gym, like, I want you to start going to the gym. And if you already go to the gym, this is amazing. I want you to triple down on your progress, bro. You want to please just train till failure if you do go to the gym. And if you are training till failure, congratulations, but train harder, bitch. Yeah, and also, if you're like, what the fuck, these eggs are unhealthy. Well, one, the fat doctors tell you that eggs are unhealthy, and you're like, well, what's the only unhealthy thing about eggs? Well, it's cholesterol, right? Eggs have a shit ton of fat, and fat is technically cholesterol, right? But let me tell you this, cholesterol is actually healthy. Like, what? Yes, because think about it, bro. Where is it? Vitamin D and cholesterol are the precursor to testosterone. So, if you have a lot of cholesterol and a lot of vitamin D, surely that just gives you a lot of testosterone, right? I'm not some scientist, but I am Bart, and I do have blue eyes. So therefore, you can trust me. So, just eat 30 eggs per day, come on. Like, it's not that hard, bro. All it comes down to is 10 eggs, 10 eggs, and 10 eggs. Like, I got to the point where I can fucking eat 30 eggs. No, I got to the point where I can, like, eat 15 eggs in one sitting. You know what I mean? So, I only have to eat 15 eggs twice. I only have to eat eggs twice a day to reach my 30 eggs. But maybe there's a chance that your parents don't let you eat eggs, right? And the way that you do this, well, there's two ways that I figured that you could do this, right? Well, it depends what your relationship is with your parents. One of them is just tell them that eggs are incredibly healthy. Don't tell them about testosterone, because they're probably going to be anti-testosterone. They're going to be like, yeah, having too much testosterone is too bad. Like, you're going to be angry, and you're going to commit crimes, and you die because of heart failure. Eggs have too much cholesterol, right? So pretty much, you want to explain to them that the medicine that the doctors give you lowers cholesterol less than Oreo cookies, right? So you tell them, all right, I'll eat these eggs, but just give me Oreos so my cholesterol gets lowered down, right? You get these Oreos and you throw them in your bin. Or you just give them to your fat friend when you meet them in the gym. Or before the gym, you be like, yo, bro, I got the care package for you, right? You meet your friend, give them the Oreos, do a little drug deal with the Oreos, right? And then you go gym, work out. Just finesse your parents, bro. You have to be eating eggs. Every single man in this world has to be eating eggs. Maybe 30 eggs is a bit extreme, but I'm addicted to eating eggs. It's my fucking dark addiction. I'm addicted to eggs. I'm addicted to the gym. I'm addicted to helping young teenagers get jacked, bro. My life's fucked. But yeah, fucking, I don't even know what else to tell you. I had this massive script, but I'm not even reading it because I realized I'm not gonna read my script. It's gonna sound so awful. It's like, having high cholesterol is apparently unhealthy, right? And eggs have a lot of cholesterol. And I've been eating so many eggs. So how am I still alive? Right? You know what I mean? I need to fucking work on my script in a bit. Oh, another tip that I can give you reading through my script is fucking, when you work out, you want to have a certain type of music that you listen to. For instance, when I work out, I listen to these fucking German people, like, with boom, 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 like heavy bass, right? It's like very, makes me want to beat someone up. Like, it makes me want to throw bricks at someone's grandma. But I don't do that because I don't have high testosterone. But yeah, this German music, like, just, I don't know, makes me, like, want to work out, pretty much. And when I listen to this music, it just wants me, as I just said. So you want to do the same thing. Like, you don't want to listen to some rap when you work out, because you always listen to rap, right? You want to find a certain genre of music that you don't listen to when you work out, or only have a playlist with, like, a different way of rap that you listen to when you work out. For instance, it could be like UK drill, because UK drill is like very, if that makes sense, or like New York drill. It's like very, you know what I mean? Like, just this angry type of music. Sorry. You want to listen to this kind of you want to listen to this kind of music when you work out, because one, it just wires your brain to respond to this type of music with fucking working out, bro. Imagine you're at a party and you listen to some white girl music, right? White girl music comes on, there's Katy Perry singing, and you just start spamming push-ups. Automatic muscle memory. What Katy Perry comes on, you just drop to the ground, do 50 push-ups. You know what I mean? Ever since I started going to parties, right, I always just do push-ups throughout the whole night. I went to a party one time and I did like 2,000 push-ups in one night. It was amazing, bro. Every 30 minutes I would go downstairs, drunk as fuck, just doing push-ups, push-ups. It was sick. But yeah, find these type of music that you want to listen to and fucking work out to that one type of specific music, because that's what's gonna fucking make your brain like want to work out. Because chances are you don't want to work out every single day, right? You know what I mean? And there's also a song that you should listen to. Like, well, this song that I listen to also makes me like fucking sad, and it makes me think about my ex. And when I think about my ex, I just want to get revenge, get jacked as fuck, get rich as fuck. Because I had this deal. I need to buy my ex a fucking pink Porsche. And I will make a YouTube video about this. When I buy my ex a pink Porsche, I'll be like, yeah, fill my fucking whatever. Right? I need to buy a fucking pink Porsche. Every time I listen to this, not for myself, just for her, right? Because I need to show her who's boss, right? I need to show her who's fucking bar. Because I'm going to make it sooner or later, right? She's going to get a Porsche sooner or later. I don't even know why I told her to get a Porsche, but it's just to show her who's fucking boss. And it's not out of a way that I just want to get back with her or like some... I told her that I'm going to get her a pink Porsche, so I have to, like... You know what I mean? And yeah. That's about it for today's video. I'm not going to edit this video, so if it's fucking boring, then you have to suffer for it. So be it. But if you made it this far, it's not boring, right? You like me, so... Yeah, that's me. My name's Bart. And yeah, you should subscribe to this channel, turn on your notifications so you see when more of these entertaining videos get posted, right? And click the link in my description. It's literally $1, bro. And it will change your whole entire life on getting jacked. So, peace.